on the floor. You may sneeze, you may cough during the practice, that's okay. And you may drool, that is also okay. I'll try again.
I'll stop this.
Maximum 3 times you can try. I'll try on the other side. Possible, let's try again. Not everybody can see and do this, so you have to do your whole practice. We'll try on the right side. Perfect. Wash the sutra properly.